What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stocked up trading floor. The market crushed it over this past week and actually made brand new all-time highs, which was great to see. We're heading into earnings season where we have a lot of big tech companies set to report, and we even have a Powell speech this week, as well as an FOMC interest rate decision. So there is a lot going on in the market right now, and definitely a lot of big movement to be had. So with that being said, let's jump right into this week's recap. Starting off with the theta trades, there were two of them that expired this week, both of which for max profit. As you guys know, basically selling put options, when done correctly, is one of the best strategies out there. Essentially, you get paid to buy stocks that you'd otherwise be happy owning at prices you'd be happy owning those stocks at. When you do this over long periods of time, not only does it consistently put you in a good position where you can, get paid to buy good quality stocks at good quality prices, but you also have a slight edge in the sense that the options you are selling are slightly more expensive than they theoretically should be. So basically, there are many good reasons to short put options, especially if you don't do it already. And if you need help with that, feel free to reach out to Tom Hunter or myself, and we can definitely provide you some information. But both of the theta trades this week expired for max profit, which was great to see. Shifting over into the high risk scalps channel on the 21st, there was a fair amount of good movement. Sound, SoFi, and WBA all had some pretty good moves as the options popped up by anywhere from 107% to 152%. Of course, there were definitely some counter trend opportunities and failed setups in the mix as well, and a fair amount of setups that, performed good or okay. And I would say out of everything, January 22nd was definitely the day of the week as ARM especially went ballistic. The ARM call options from the 22nd popped up by 848%, which was a hell of a move, to put it simply. But even Moderna had some pretty awesome movement as those options popped up by 433%, and then the Microsoft ones popped up by 263%. This was all great to see, and of course, and as always, there were definitely a fair amount of setups that certainly did not move as crazy as the top ones, and that is normal and expected. The top, strongest, most best moving setups are definitely where most of the opportunity is at. As we scroll throughout the rest of the week, we could see that there was fine movement across the board, but January 22nd was definitely the day of the week for sure. But again, looking at this week, there's a lot going on in the market right now. SPY's at all-time highs, and we have a lot of big tech companies set to report. So it should definitely be a very exciting week. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your weekend.